If you're a MicroStrategy fanboy, just know I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to keep it real. Now, before I get to you fanboys, I'm going to start with those people that don't know what MicroStrategy is. So MicroStrategy is a business software company, and they've been around for decades. And they actually had a CEO by the name of Michael Saylor. Now, what you need to know about Michael Saylor is he's a Bitcoin guy. He believes in Bitcoin. He loves Bitcoin so much so that he puts the company's assets for MicroStrategy into Bitcoin. Now, I want you to keep this part in mind as we go through this. Michael Saylor does not say that the US dollar is worthless, but he argues that it's a poor store of value due to inflation and its declining purchasing power over time. Because let's just say, rather than keeping cash reserves like most companies do, he believes that cash is worthless and we might as well put our assets into Bitcoin because Bitcoin has high upside potential. Now, this is where I'm going to go after Michael Saylor and you MicroStrategy fanboys, because I'm not sure if you've ever heard of diversification and also hedging against loss before, but this is about to be a crash course in exactly that. Now, every opportunity that MicroStrategy gets to buy more Bitcoin, they do it because what they believe is if we have our assets in Bitcoin, we'll continuously have a company that's worth more and more over time, and we can just keep funneling more and more money into Bitcoin and push the value of the company up. But remember, I told you that MicroStrategy is a business software company, so why buy Bitcoin to raise revenue and raise capital when you could just sell your products? Well, therein lies the problem, because if we look at the revenue for MicroStrategy over the past 4 years, they have only been losing money. So therein lies a major problem because you're a business software company who can't sell their own products. So rather than trying to sell your own product, you buy Bitcoin and leverage more debt to continue to buy Bitcoin and over leverage yourself in order to push the stock value higher. So for those of you with common sense, you're starting to see how this over leveraging thing probably isn't the smartest. And now herein lies the major problem for MicroStrategy. Bitcoin over the past couple of weeks has tanked and has gone all the way down to $84,000. And MicroStrategy stock is down 60% in the past year. You don't think that has anything to do with the fact that they're over leveraged in Bitcoin, do you? And remember how I said that Michael Saylor doesn't think that the US dollar is a good store of value? Well, my guy just launched a $1.4 billion US reserve to keep the company afloat. So I have an idea for you, Michael Saylor. Don't worry about Bitcoin and over leveraging all of your investors and the entire company. Worry about selling the product that the company was originally launched for. Because at this point, it just looks like you have a Ponzi scheme going on.